Business environment and strategic management. Chapter 6, Technological environment. Chapter summary. Concept of technology. Technology involves the practical aspects of science. It may take the form of tools, materials, and systems. It translates the scientific knowledge into method of production. Components of technological environment. Levels of technology. Manual technology, mechanized technology, automated technology, computerized technology, robotized technology. Pace of technology change. Technology transfer, research and development budget. Business and technology. Technology plays a key role in the growth of commerce and trade around the world. Businesses use technology to carry out their functions. Without the growth of technology, the idea of globalization wouldn't turn to be a reality. Businesses can go international through the use of the internet. Technology has allowed businesses to grow and expand in different ways. Positive effects of technology on business: productivity, competitive advantage, innovation, increase in profit, customer value. Negative effects of technology on business: capital burden, threat of quick replacement, increase in cost, need of skilled manpower. Human factor and technology. Human factor is the study of the interrelationship between humans, the tools and equipment they use in the workplace and environment in which they work. It examines the relationship between human beings and the systems with which they interact. The aim is to enhance efficiency, creativity, productivity, and job satisfaction. Hence, human factor plays a crucial role in determining the technological aspect of a country. Science and technology (S&T) policy 2005. The science and technology policy of Nepal aims to alleviate poverty by uplifting the living standard of the people and build national capacity by strengthening the S&T sector. It also aims to utilize S&T sector through regular update is a powerful means of achieving growth in production and productivity of the country and thereby contribute towards the national goal of poverty alleviation by mobilizing physical, human, and academic foundation of S&T through creative and institutional development. Information Technology Policy 2010. The Information Technology Policy 2010 has been brought with the aim of making information technology accessible to the general public and to create knowledge-based society. Its vision is to place Nepal on the global map of information technology within the next 5 years. The main objectives are to make information technology accessible to the general public and increase employment through these means and build a knowledge based society. Electronic Transactions Act 2006. Electronic Transaction Act 2006 deals with security and use of electronic transactions. It provides legal foundations for electronic signatures and gives predictability and certainty to contracts formed electronically. Present level of technology in Nepalese business. The present level of technology used by Nepalese business is not satisfactory. However, banks, cement and iron factories, hospitals are using comparatively latest technologies.